got enough to go around, and the thought takes place uptown. I grew up on the sidewalk while on street talk, and then talk to off New York. I go to Queens for Queens to get the food from Brooklyn. Money in my hand, and never been took it. Go uptown in the Bronx and boogie down the strong on the island, recruit to lay around. Time to build my juice back up, pop stack up, so we get smacked up, no doubt the clout. They know what I'm about, knocking niggas on, knocking niggas out, shaking them up, waking them up, breaking them up, bringing them up, standing on shaky ground, too close to the edge. Let's see if I know the ledge. Shorty's here, I get cocked living 40s to beer. Here's a sip with a crew that's deceased. If I get revenge, then it rest in peace. Somebody got a song, I just might spare one. Give a brother a fair one. Stay away from these, and I do work with these like Hercules. Switch to southpaw, split to right jaw. Saddle like door, hype my life for. Smooth, but I move like a bone. Pull a few down case, brothers trying to bone me. Put brothers to rest like Elliot Ness. Cause I don't like stress. Streets ain't a place for innocent bystanders to stand. Nothing's gonna stop the plan. Out shit like Gino, kill like the middle. Black Gambino, die like a hero. Living on shaky ground, too close to the edge. Let's see if I know the ledge. Shell lay around on the battleground. Neck bodies